Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn colors, and in these cups we have some letters with some hidden words. We're going to learn to spell the colors also. So here I have some colored rice. This rice is red. Okay, so let's start here. We have the color red, and we have a red ball. Let's put it in the bowl. That is red. Next we have the color orange, and we have an orange ball. Let's put that in the bowl. Next we have the color yellow. We'll put that in the bowl. Put the yellow ball in the bowl too. Here is the color green, and we'll put the green ball in the bowl too. Here's the color blue, and we have a blue ball in there, and we'll put that in the bowl. Here's the color purple, and we have a purple ball. We'll put that in the bowl too. Let's count how many colors we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 colors and 6 balls. We could use our little spoon to pick up the balls and put them back in their cups. So let's go ahead and start. We have the purple ball. We'll put it in the purple cup. Let's go for this one. This is green. We'll put it in the green cup. Here we have the color blue. We'll put in the blue cup. Next we have orange. We'll put it in the orange cup. Here's yellow. We'll put it in the yellow cup. Last, we have the color red. Let's put it in the red cup. Let's put these aside, and we'll see what's in these cups. Let's start with the red cup. Let's dump out our rice and see what's inside. It looks like we have some letters hidden in our rice. Let's see what letters these are. We have the letter E. We have the letter R. And we have the letter D. Do we have any other letters in here? I don't feel any. So we have 3 letters, E, R, and D. Let's see if we can spell the color red. So red starts with the letter R. R. Next we have the letter E. That is the second letter in the word red. R, E. And then the last letter is the letter D. Red. R-E-D spells red. Inside our rice were the letters R-E-D. Red. Okay, let's see what's in the green cup. It looks like we have some letters in our green cup too. Okay, we have the letter G. Green starts with the letter G. Next, we have the letter R. We have the letter E. We have another letter E. This one's bigger than the first one, so we have 2 letter E's. One's bigger than the other, but they're the same letter. And last, we have the letter N. So here we have the word green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. And it was hidden in our green rice. Let's scoop our rice back in our green cup. Okay, last we have the blue cup. Let's see what's in our blue cup. It looks like we have some letters in our blue rice. Let's see which letters they are. We have the letter B. Blue starts with the letter B. B. The letter L. B-L. The letter U. And last, we have the letter E. B-L-U-E spells blue. And here's our blue rice. Today we learned our colors and we learned how to spell our colors. We learned how to spell red, blue, and green. Here is the color purple. The color blue. Green. Yellow, orange, and red. Let's put the blue rice in the blue cup. Here we have a blue cup filled with blue rice. Let's fill up the green cup with some green rice. Here we have a green cup of rice. The color green. Okay, and last, let's fill up the red cup with red rice. Here is the color red. Thanks for watching.